Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The message of the Holy Quran to all mankind. Allah said in Quran, of which translation is Allah, beginning with the name of the most gracious, the most merciful. All praise is to Allah, the Lord of the creation, the most gracious, the most merciful. Honor of the day of recompense. You alone we worship, and from you alone we seek help, and may we always guide us on straight path, the path of those whom you have favored, nor the path of those who earned your anger, nor of those who are astray. Ameen. And our duty is nothing but to plainly convey the message